lot of you had questions about the traveling time steps that we've been working on, so I'm going to break them down for you in this video. The first thing I want you to feel is that the traveling time step is a shuffle step sandwich, or think of it as bookends. The shuffle step is at the beginning and it's at the end. That's how you can keep track of when one starts and one ends. Very important, and you'll see why. We start with shuffle step, shuffle, ball, change, ball, change. That's where the traveling is to the side. Then hop, step, shuffle, step. That was one traveling time step to the right. Let's do it again. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step. And the way we count that is 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and. Now we are set up to go to the left. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step. Let's try to go back and forth, right to left. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and. Now later we got a little spicy at adding an extra sound. So you're going to add a spank or a backwards brush before the hops. Here's how that looks and sounds in context. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, brush, hop, step, shuffle, step. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and. Like other time steps, you can graduate them from singles to doubles to triples. Here's how you do a traveling double time step. That one step that you had, where we felt like we had a little extra time before it, now becomes a flat. You fill in the time. We have shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, brush, hop, ball, lap, shuffle, step. That was to the right. Now try it to the left. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, brush, hop, ball, lap, shuffle, step. Back and forth, right to left with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and. Hope that helps with your traveling time steps.